YouTube friends, my name is Catherine from the blog OurTimberHome.com. Are you ready to make your home cozy for fall? Well, this video is a collaboration with several lovely YouTube friends. Stephanie from the Garden of Mirth, Teresa from Tea Time, Sandy from Little House on Metairie, Sonia from Buckeye Country Creations, Melissa from Old Soul Home, and Deidre Skipper. I will link their channels in the description box below. Today we are going to be doing a fall decorate with me. Let's make some hot tea. And I just added these to the bottom of my mirror. And basically I just took a cloche and added the dried hydrangeas. I got that idea off of Dina at Graceful Living. And actually the mirror idea was hers also. I actually crafted this a while back. These are some of my zinnias that never got planted in the window box in time. We had them temporarily planted in the garden. And then this will get moved over to the coffee table. I think that's good. There's just greenery. I might bring in a little pumpkin. Let's go get that. I think that looks simple enough. I guess we're going to try to add some of these florals to my basket on the table. A lot of my florals, this is this is green and purple. A lot of my florals are from Hobby Lobby when they're on sale. We're just going to put these on here. See how this turns out. Another green one on this side. I'll put that cattail looking one on the bottom since it's my least favorite, but it gives a lot of texture. Alright, where is my copper strainer? I think I'm going to put that back in here. I do use that all the time. I have these fall pears. That'll help hide the stems of the faux florals. Yeah, that's good. I only have 3 and it's just to hide that because I do use this strainer. Looks pretty simple. I think we're done with this space for now. Well, as you can see, I'm changed and it's the next day. Still feeling sort of under the weather. These are from Amazon. This should be chargers for my dining room table. Krista over at Meeker Home and DIY had these on a tablescape. Oh, I ordered ribbon. It's a chiffon ribbon. There's several colors. They're kind of a dusty blue, a little bit deeper blue, and then a dark blue. Even on keto, I mentioned in one of my videos that my husband loves sourdough. So you won't believe what I scored my sourdough bread with. I did sanitize it with alcohol. I used the utility knife. So this is a little fancy scorer from Amazon. That was about $6. Comes in this little green case and this cute little wooden engraved disc. Okay, so let's get to those chargers. The wallpaper that's going to go in that china cabinet, if I choose that, or the Dollar Tree sheets. Here are the Dollar Tree sheets. So I'm going to choose between this and the William Morris wallpaper, but I've been dying to unbox it, but I waited for you guys. Let's see what these beautiful chargers look like. They're a bit on the pricey side. They're about $36 for, I believe, 6 of them. So they're not cheap, but I'm sure it's going to make the chargers I have at home from Dollar General and Dollar Tree look very cheap now. So these will be on our tablescape when I get that far. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yes, they're 6. I tried to explain to my friend what I was buying, and she said, "What's a charger?" Look at all the detail. Well, that's going to make my tablescape Just gonna take it up another notch. Okay, let's unbox that wallpaper. And then we will get to decorating at least my dresser. I think the wallpaper was also about $35 as well. Anything I talk about in the video, I will link in the description. I just want to share with you what I love. Okay, I'm gonna have to unroll this to kind of see. It's got like a midnight blue background. I'll probably have to take it out to the china cabinet to compare. I'm assuming this is gonna be much better, but well, this definitely looks very vintage. The background is midnight blue there, so I will have to take that out there. I'm sure this will look much richer, but we'll see what I decide. I guess we'll find out. When you guys watch the home tour, you'll know which one I picked. To make it easier, I've never did a decorate with me before. It was getting a little overwhelming because it takes me forever rearranging stuff. I kind of brought a bunch of things in. All right, let's get this dresser started. I added a couple more clocks, and then usually I add some florals at the end of the dresser. I'm gonna go with the gold and maybe a little bit of purple and green hydrangeas, and just flip the stems over till you're hiding them. And I usually put a ribbon or something. The artichoke, you saw this in the crafting video with me. I'm going to add that somewhere. And this beautiful floral print, I printed this on Etsy. And of course that's another thrift store frame. Yeah, I need some height. I don't know. I might have to find something where I can raise this bust head up a little higher. This might go on my nightstand. I have this velvet pumpkin I got at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that looks pretty. Okay, I need a ribbon on our flowers as well. The one thing with this frayed velvet, it really does shed a bit. I'm just going to add a ribbon to these. Try to make sure the velvet is right side up. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be tweaking this. You'll see the final version when we do the home tour. I have a washable rug in here that I washed. I got it at Home Goods. It comes with these little triangles that you put back on. Sort of like a Velcro on one side and then sticky so that your rug stays in place and you don't keep slipping all the time and your rug doesn't slip everywhere. I had this in the kitchen, but now it's going to go into the bathroom along with this shower curtain. I'm just going to lay this rug down, kind of get this started, just step on the corners so that that adhesive adheres. I have this wooden tray. I basically brought in a few things I thought I might be using. Candles that flicker. So it does stick up above this vase. This was $3 at Goodwill. So this is kind of what I was thinking. I've got this textured hand towel. Turn this on for now, see what it looks like. There's a timer. I have 4 of them, but if I do keep this in this room, I'm going to have to order more. And then I have this glass soft orange pumpkin and a little white one. I might put that right here. Kind of angle it. There. That looks kind of simple. I think I need to add some greenery to it. I was debating on using this. I may put this on a shelf. You'll see it in the tour. We're now on day 3. I'm going to lay out these chargers. These are just stunning. I have a scarf I might use also. The fairy lights go underneath it. I got these at Target quite a while ago. It's nice because they're actually on a wire with eucalyptus. Well, it feels good to be on the last room, finally. And then I will have to get things cleaned up and give you a home tour. Yeah, you'll see what I mean. See how sheer this is? And then the lights just shine right through it. So I'm trying to get this scarf sort of in the center. I'll just tuck those lights under there. And these have timers, which make them great. So all the battery packs are on this end of the table. They'll be easy to find and refix. I'm just sorting my florals. I have 1 purple rose, eucalyptus stems. They almost look like a peony to me, but purple. I'm not sure if these are purple cattails. I'm just going to tuck it underneath the eucalyptus down here and try to lay it on top and spread the leaves out a little bit. Then we're going to take these beautiful purple peonies and stick those somewhere on top. Occasionally you can find a few nice florals at Walmart. Basically Hobby Lobby, maybe Joann Fabrics. That's basically where I get mine. Pretty much Hobby Lobby when they have their sale. Well, I'm just gonna fold it in case I ever use it somewhere else longer. There, I think that's gonna be enough. I'll add that to the end. I think we're gonna take these last two random roses and stick them in here, and then I will have to get some more hydrangeas. Try to get the fringe laying out on the velvet runner. I didn't talk about that. I got that at Amazon. I know I talk about Krista a lot from Maker Home and DIY. She did the full version of the velvet tablecloth on her table, but it looks lovely in her home since she has so many wooden pieces. If you don't follow her, please do. She is an amazing decorator. Okay, I think we'll just add that to the vase too. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the table. Gosh, these are so pretty. I'm so happy I finally got these. Ooh, need to make sure they're straight. Don't want anything not centered. Are any of you guys like that where you want everything just centered and symmetrical? I think I'm going to bring in these brass candlesticks with the faux candles. I will remember to link these below. These are lovely. They will flicker. They have a timer. I'm going to put those on either side of the floral arrangement. I'll probably just stagger them. Normally I'd probably center them. Well, maybe I'll stagger it. That just might be a little different. Still symmetrical, just staggered. I don't really do a lot of decorating with amber, but a few of the things in the kitchen you'll see during the tour. I was debating on using these, but I'm still just a sucker for the traditional brass. I'm going to be ordering more of these candles on Amazon. They sell out very quickly, and sometimes you have to add tape. You need to add tape on this one to make it stick in there. Let's see, do I have anything else in the house I can put there? If not, that looks beautiful the way it is. It's funny how as you're decorating, things can totally change as to what you had in mind. On these plates, I only have two of them. The green plate, it's got some scalloped detail, but I only have two of them, so maybe I'll just put those at the very end. Well, I think we're gonna have to go with the swirled pattern. That's the only one I have four of. I also have these, which are kind of scalloped. I would like to get some pattern dishes at some point in time. We were moving in and I just wanted everything to be basic white, which I love, of course. Obviously, the whole house is pretty much white. These are the choices. It's a green napkins, navy blue. This is another white one. The pattern that's very similar to the only two green ones. I'm just gonna put that right in the center. We'll just do them diagonally. And then the ones with the swirl patterns, like the plate, we're going to add to the other two diagonally. There, that gives a lot of contrast. I also have these. They are lovely. I only have two. They're called Celtcraft by Noritake. It says Ireland Tranquil Glen, color 988. Quail, you can't get much more fall than that. So we have a mixture of quail and flowers. Well, I think it's time to decide on some glassware, and then I'll decide on the napkins when we're done. We have the pink, and we have this green. Of course, everything is thrifted, and not the pink, well, that was thrifted, but the last two came from a lovely lady's yard sale. She has so much vintage glassware. I have boxes of the green and the blue. They were about $1 each. The pink really does pop with that runner. I feel like the green's just too bland. There are a little bit of wrinkles underneath my tablecloth also from my my plastic tablecloth protector. Sorry, my plastic table protector. There, these look good. I only have two of these, so these can go at the ends. So do any of you guys kind of organize where you're just shifting room to room sometimes and it looks bad for a while and then eventually it all gets better? The crystal ones from the last thrift haul that are going to be for Christmas also probably. Well, I will go in and see how many pink ones I have. I'm leaning toward the pink and white, which is funny. I'm back to 3 again of these really detailed ones. Alrighty, well, we'll do the 2 and 2 thing. Alright. Okay, we're to the end. Here's the silverware I picked out. All the patterns are different. Symmetrically crisscross them. And now the table's done. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you're going to decorate your table for fall, and I will see you in the next video.